Yeah, Imanyara, Gitobu Imanyara. So we thank you profusely. As a family, we have very fond memories of you supporting us, supporting our dad. You supported our dad. Here now, as things stand, we are in this government called broad-based government. I'm a member of broad-based government. Martha Karua has told me she's very far from broad-based government. It is okay, because we are friends. That does not spoil friendship, because we might be there and there, but tomorrow we are together. So politics is like that, but I want to say that this our country must remain united. And Raila is very big-hearted. You know, for five years, Raila supported Oburu Kenyatta. He supported Oburu Kenyatta without asking Oburu to give him ministers, to give him anything, because he wanted to bring the mountain closer to us. We are saying the government which you supported, Raila gave you unconditional support. And we were expecting that when Raila now stands to be for presidential candidate, the mountain was going to come and give Raila a reciprocal treatment. But as fate would have it, that did not happen. And Oburu Kenyatta warned you people. Oburu Kenyatta warned you people and told you that you will cry. You will cry. Now, when you are crying, you want Raila to come and rescue you. How does he do it? Now, but we are in broad-based government, and we don't regret. And what we want to do is to have our country in one piece, and let us continue. Elections will come and go. When those elections come, people will decide who to lead. But for now, we must be stable, and we must stabilize the government which is there today. Thank you very much. And you people of Meru, you gave us Betty. Betty is your gold, and you gave us your gold. And she's now our gold. Betty is now our gold, and we really appreciate her presence. Me, whenever I see her, even when I have disagreed with Jim a little, I always feel comfort. I feel comforted a lot to see her. And Betty, we love you. We are with you. Thank you. Take care of Jim. Take care of us. You are ours. You are ours to stay, and you are ours forever. Thank you.